See this problem today. Rohan Chemicals Limited of Mumbai issued 1 crore 10% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 10% payable as rupees 40 on application, rupees 70 on allotment, rupees 70 on allotment. It means rupees 40 on application and afterwards rupees 70 on allotment, means there will be 10 rupees premium and 60 rupees original amount. As these debentures are issued at 10% premium, that means rupees 10. These debentures of rupees 100 each were issued at rupees 110 each. So the application money is rupees 40 and 70 rupees will be on allotment. It includes 60 plus 10 rupees premium. Debentures are redeemable on 31st March 2020. Record necessary entries to record issue of debentures, assuming that the issue is fully subscribed and all the money due is received. So let's pass the journal entries now. So this is the problem of issue of debentures at premium. Okay. Rohan Chemicals Limited. See the problem. Rohan Chemicals Limited issued 1 crore 10% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 10% payable as rupees 40 on application and rupees 70 on allotment. Only 2 installments are there, and the debentures were issued at 10% premium. Means debenture is of rupees 100, 10% means rupees 10, means debenture of rupees 100 issued at rupees 110. Okay. They told us to record necessary entries to record issue of debentures, assuming that the issue is fully subscribed and all the money due is received. Means there are no arrears or no oversubscription or undersubscription. कंपनीनी 1 crore डिबेंचर्स इश्यू केलेत, तेवढ्याला डिमांड आलेली आहे, ॲप्लिकेशन्स आलेली आहेत आणि सगळे पैसेही दोन्हीही वेळचे म्हणजे ॲट द टाईम ऑफ ॲप्लिकेशन अँड ॲट द टाईम ऑफ अलॉटमेंट ऑल मनी ड्यू is received. Okay, so let's start now. So obviously first entry will be of application money received, and we all know the entry: bank account debit to 10% debenture application account. So bank account debit to 10% debenture application account. Narration will be application money received on 1 crore 10% debentures at rupees 40 each, because application money is rupees 40 per debenture. Okay, so the amount will be obviously 40 crores. Now we will transfer this application money to debentures account. So entry will be 10% debenture application account debit to 10% debentures account. 10% account debit 40 crores to 10% debentures account ₹40 crores. Okay, narration: application money transferred to debentures account. Now the entry of allotment money due. See here, 2 installments are given, rupees 40 on application and rupees 70 on allotment. So in rupees 70, 60 will be of original amount and 10 rupees will be premium. Okay, so in allotment money due, we have to include security premium reserve also. So the entry will be 10% debentures allotment account debit to 10% debentures account, to security premium reserve account. Okay, now 1 crore debentures were issued. 1 crore into rupees 60 will be transferred to 10% debentures. So 60 crores. 1 crore debentures into 10 means 10 crores will be the security premium, and total amount due will be 70 crores. That is 1 crore into 70 rupees. Okay, so narration will be allotment money due. ज्यावेळेला खूप मोठे अमाऊंट्स असतात त्यावेळेला नॅरेशन शॉर्टमध्ये लिहिलं तरी चालतं टू सेव्ह द टाईम. अँड नाव द लास्ट एंट्री, they told us that all the issue was fully subscribed and all the money duly received. So fourth, the last entry will be of allotment money received. Okay, so they have received total 70,000 into bank. The entry will be bank account debit ₹70 crores to 10% debentures allotment account 70 crores. Okay, narration will be allotment money received in full. Only received is also sufficient. Okay, so here this is a very simple problem. Just like shares, we have to include the security premium reserve account in the entry of allotment money due. Okay, see the next problem. Naren Limited invited applications for issuing 7,500 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 35 per debenture. It means the debenture of rupees 100 is issued at rupees 135 rupees total. They have issued 7,500 debentures. The full amount was payable on application. So here there will not be any installment. All the amount is receivable with application. Applications were received for 10,000 debentures. Means here there is oversubscription of debentures. So applications for 2,500 debentures were rejected, which are extra, and application money was refunded. Debentures were allotted to the remaining applicant, that is to the applicants of 7,500 debentures. Pass necessary journal entries for the above transactions in the books of Naren Limited. So let's pass the journal entries. Now today's second problem. In this problem, all the amount on debentures is receivable with applications from the applicants. Okay, they told us that Naren Limited issued 7,500 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 35 per debenture. Means 7,500 12% debentures will be issued of rupees 100 each at rupees 135 each after adding 35 rupees premium in the face value. They told us that there is oversubscription because applications for 10,000 debentures were received by the company. They have rejected applications for 2,500 debentures and their application money was refunded. and to the remaining applicants they allotted the debentures. 10,000 डिबेंचर्सचे ॲप्लिकेशन्स मिळालेत. 7,500 डिबेंचर्स इश्यू करायचे आहेत. त्यामुळे वरचे जे एक्स्ट्रा ॲप्लिकेशन्स आहेत फॉर 2,500 डिबेंचर्स दे हॅव रिजेक्टेड those applications. Understood? So they told us to pass the journal entries in the books of Naren Limited. This problem will be only for 3 or 4 marks in the exam. First entry will be of application money received. So first entry, we all know the entry: bank account debit to 12% debenture application and allotment account, because all the money is receivable with application. So bank account debit to 12% debentures application and allotment account. Narration is: application money received on 10,000 debentures at rupees 135 each. As all the money was receivable with application, the face value rupees 100 plus premium rupees 35, they have received money on 10,000 debentures into rupees 135. Okay, so the amount will be 13,50,000. Okay, now the second entry. Only 2 entries will be there in this problem. Second entry will be adjustment of this application money. The application money on 7,500 debentures at rupees 100 each will be transferred to debentures account, that is 12% debentures account. Amount of security premium reserve will be transferred to security premium reserve account, and excess application money, that is on 2,500 debentures at the rate of 135 rupees each, will be refunded, that is it will be credited to bank account. Okay, so entry will be 12% debentures application and allotment account debit, debit 13,50,000 to first 12% debentures account. ही ऑर्डर लिहिण्याची बदलली तरी काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही आहे. 12% debentures account. Here we will credit 7,500 debentures into rupees 100, that is 7,50,000 to security premium reserve. Here 7,500 into rupees 35. Okay, so amount will be 2,62,500. And to bank account, amount on 2,500 debentures into rupees 135 will be refunded. So the multiplication is 3,37,500. Okay, narration. On 7,500 debentures transferred to, it is 12% debentures account, premium on security premium reserve account, and money on 2,500 debentures at rupees 135 each refunded. Okay, in this way, when the amount is receivable at the time of full amount is receivable at the time of application, we have to pass these two entries when the debentures were issued at premium. Okay, that's all.